Hey everyone! Shocking news for UK pensioners. This November, the DWP is introducing new bank account rules, and some pensions could actually stop arriving if your details aren't correct. Even small errors in your bank details could cause delays, and that's why you need to pay attention right now. If you get a state pension or benefits like Universal Credit, PIP, or ESA, this is critical. The DWP is tightening account checks to prevent fraud and make sure payments go to the right person. But even minor mismatches, such as a spelling error, a recent bank switch, or an old account still linked, could trigger delays or temporary holds. That's why it's essential to act now and double-check your records. From November, the DWP will start performing stricter automated checks on all bank accounts receiving pensions and benefits. This isn't just a routine update. It's part of a government crackdown on fraud, overpayments, and mistaken claims. During these checks, the DWP will cross-reference account names, numbers, sort codes, and other details with official records. If there's any discrepancy, whether a name change, a joint account issue, or even an unreported bank switch, your payments could be flagged and temporarily paused. The government explains that these changes are about security and transparency. Over the past year, billions of pounds were lost due to fraudulent claims or incorrect bank details. By implementing these stricter rules, the DWP aims to ensure that every pound goes to the correct recipient. While this protects taxpayers and genuine pensioners overall, it does put more responsibility on individuals to make sure their information is completely accurate. Who is affected? This update applies to pensioners, people receiving pension credit, and anyone getting benefits from the DWP through direct bank payments. If you use a joint account, extra attention is needed. Payments may not arrive if your name isn't correctly linked. Even if you recently changed banks or moved house, it's essential to ensure that all details match the DWP's records to avoid unnecessary delays. So, what should you do to stay safe and ensure your payments arrive on time? First, check your bank account details carefully. Make sure the account name matches exactly with what the DWP has on file. Same spelling, same order, no abbreviations. Second, if you've changed banks, updated your surname, or moved recently, contact the DWP immediately to update your records. Waiting until November could mean payments are paused while the new verification system runs. If you use a joint account, make sure your name is clearly listed and inform the DWP that it's a joint setup. Some older accounts only show one name, which can create problems with these automated checks. Keeping your national insurance number, ID documents, and proof of account ownership handy will make verification much faster and less stressful. Many pensioners are concerned about whether their payments will arrive on time in November. For most people, payments should continue as normal. However, if your account is flagged for review, there could be temporary pauses until verification is completed. The good news is that the DWP has reassured that no payments will be lost permanently due to a technical mismatch. Still, even a short delay can cause stress, especially if you rely on these funds for everyday expenses. Another point to keep in mind is the risk of scams. Fraudsters may try to take advantage of this change by sending fake emails, messages, or even calls claiming to be from the DWP or your bank. Remember, the DWP will never ask for your PIN or full banking details via email or text. If you get any suspicious messages, don't respond. Report them immediately to Action Fraud. Protecting your personal information is just as important as updating your bank account details. If you manage money for an elderly parent or relative, now is the perfect time to review all account arrangements. Double-check joint accounts, recent bank changes, and the names on file with the DWP. Even a small error can trigger a hold under the new automated system. So taking these steps now can save a lot of stress later. The key takeaway here is that these new rules are about security and transparency. but they also place responsibility on pensioners and benefit recipients. Update your bank accounts, double-check joint arrangements, and keep ID and banking information ready for verification. A little preparation now can prevent major headaches in November and ensure your payments arrive safely. In short, if you rely on your state pension or benefits, don't ignore this update. Check your details, act quickly if anything has changed, and stay alert for any official DWP messages. Following these steps will help make sure your money reaches you on time, without delays or complications. That's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates about DWP changes, pensions, and government benefits. And if you've got questions about these new bank account rules, drop a comment below. I'll make sure to respond and help you out. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video with more updates that really matter to you.